1.
Hey friends, today I learned a little bit how to use the whitewater kayak. So I know everything already, so I will show you how to do it. It's all for free, you don't need to send me checks. So just look. First is I have to fit in this hole somehow. This, I don't know how to do it, but I'll try right away. Tiny, it's just tiny. Ooh, oh, that's I didn't wrong. You didn't tell me that. It's very tight. I'm sorry. Now this skirt that will protect the kayak from getting water in. Oh my, something's pushing in my ass. No, that's okay. I will be tough. But it's really, this skirt is really hard. Okay, one second. If I knew it so deeply, I don't know. Oh, I forgot it's just to go up. Okay, I did it, okay. Now, grab the pedal and the fun starts, right? How did she show me? Oh, I'm going backwards. Almost dead. Upside down. It scared me. What if it turns upside down? Oh my God. A shadow. It's scary. I'm out of there. It scares me. It's too much. Surfing is way easier. Way easier. I'm giving up. Okay, one more try. Short, forward, stroke. Short, forward, stroke. Short, forward, stroke. And surfing your way. Okay,